This video is about the PLK A4 DTF printer with XP600 Printhead, a powerful machine designed for anyone serious about high-quality DIY printing. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below. Right from the start, this printer impresses with ultra-high resolution printing at 2880 by 1440 dpi and double the speed of traditional printers, thanks to the advanced XP600 Printhead. Whether you're printing sheets or rolls, the machine handles up to 180 sheets per day with stunning color accuracy. One of the standout features is the upgraded white ink stirring system, which ensures smooth, consistent ink flow while preventing clogs and extending the printhead's lifespan by up to 90%. This means you can enjoy high-definition prints on both light and dark fabrics without interruptions. The built-in film cutter and optimized roller feeder make large-scale printing hassle-free, reducing material waste and minimizing jams, which is perfect for both beginners and professionals looking for efficiency. Versatility is another strong point. This printer works on a wide range of fabrics, from cotton t-shirts to hoodies, bags, shoes, and even denim. The 100% transfer rate ensures your designs look crisp and vibrant every time. A4 sheets or rolls up to 8.27 inches wide provide flexibility for on-demand projects or mass production. While it's designed primarily for Windows, it comes with full 24/7 support, a 6-month printhead warranty, and a 1-year accessory warranty, giving you peace of mind. The included 2-year ink supply, DTF powder, and transfer film kit make it ready to start printing right away. If you want to elevate your printing game with consistent, high-quality results, don't miss out on the PLK A4 DTF printer. Make sure to check the link in the description below to get your hands on this powerful printer today.